Hello and welcome back to Spekd. Today we find out who the winner is of Warhammer Conquest issue number 29. This right here. And I'm gonna do that by getting my machine first, because without it I can't really tell you. Yeah. Okay. Let me go and get the computer. I want to be using again the random comment selectors. There's quite a few entries into the competition, and all you had to do was be subscribed and drop in a comment saying inspected in the comments below the issue, or shall I say the video number 29 or the issue number 29 for Warhammer Conquest. So let's see who the winner is. If they don't have that comment, they're not the winner. Let's enter the URL. Let's copy paste. Let's get the comments. And it says a 19, so let's start. Let's have a look. And we're gonna see what the comment is. Is it inspected? Did he say it? Look, there you go. Wargaming with Gary. Almost missed the draw. Inspected. I'm in. Cheers, mate. Well done, Gary. This is yours. It will be on its way to you when you send me your details. Please put it on the email, send that to me, and I'll pick it up from the secret door email. Enough said. For those of you, the rest of you that have not actually won, don't worry about it. There will be more competitions. As you know, I do them quite regularly on the channel, just to give you guys back something for being so supportive to helping the channel grow. I really do appreciate that. So again, thank you very much. Congratulations. Well done. I'll catch you all soon. Take care. This has been Spekd. PC out.